Hi, what is the one thing or two things do you think that you're going to be spending the next 20 to 40 years doing? What is it that we all want more of? Let's see if you get this question right. And before we do, thank you for visiting my channel. I'm Ann Marie Walts. Consider me your host, your guide, and welcome to Think Your Way to a Million. So what is it? Are you trying to find out how to make more of this? Money, maybe. Or are you wishing that you had more time? Or how about this? Would you like to learn how to make more money and more time? Well, that is what my channel is about. And so let me take a moment and ask you this. Why should you listen to me? Well, I am a strategic visionary that knows how to teach automation, break it down really simply so that you can utilize either using AI, reselling AI, because we are where we are. AI is not going away. Now, another thing, why should you listen to me? What if I could help you change your mindset around money, right? And you could get comfortable with the idea of becoming 100% debt-free. Because I can at least share my stories. And when you are on my page so that I'm FTC compliant, my results are mine. My journey, my love, and my work is to help impact you so your stories become yours. And then my channel called thinkyourwaytoamillion.com. Why should you listen to me? Because I know right where I stand that automation made an impact very, very close to me without giving away too much. But I am responsible for creating leads for a 7-figure business. So welcome to my channel. And my journey is going to also include bringing you along and helping you become inspired for you to take an idea, be able to plug it into the software platform that I love so much. It might be GoHIghLevel. But to learn how to use your ideas in a way that you can make an impact in your life or the life of somebody else. And that is why I made thinkyourwaytoamillion.com. So there's a few things that I'm extremely good at. And that is this. How can we maximize our time together? You and me. But how can you maximize your time in a way that you are making the most amount of money in the shortest amount of time so you can create a lifestyle that you absolutely love? Because you know what? Usually we want more money in our life because either we've overspent the money that came into our life, or we want more money in our life so that we can go on vacation, which gets you away from work so that you can be with the people that you love the most. So if you're ready to think differently, hit the subscribe button. And I invite you also to grab my free course, follow my tutorials, because I'm going to walk you through, like we're sitting at a coffee shop right now, on how to plug your idea in and how to plug in the ideas of GoHIghLevel so that you can make a change in your life in as little as possibly 14 to 30 days of education, because you'll get a free trial through my channel. And then let's go. Let's go. Because here's my commitment to you. I'm not going anywhere. I want to make a difference in your life by being a channel of education, inspiration, and maybe even a dash of snarkiness, because I want to see other people succeed. So if I help just one person, I've done what I need to do. All right. So again, welcome to my channel. I'm proud to be a certified high-level admin. That means I took the time to actually go get certified by the company. You're going to be saving your time. At least that's what I want to do for you, because I do have 30 years of experience, and I've been automating my stuff since 2001. For some of you, you weren't even born yet. And if you're a young blood and you're hungry, come back to my channel. If you're somewhere in like middle age and you're feeling burnt out, I can help you pivot. And if you're crazy enough and want to start your own business online, I've got some tips for you as well. So I have a little bit of something for everybody. And I just want to help people live the life that I actually have. All right, hit the subscribe button. And P.S. the bad jokes are free.